Here are practical tips if you are one of the young professionals or investors na gusto bumili ng condominium. Una sa lahat, congratulations! Kasi you already have that mindset of investing at a very young age. Kaya naman, here's my first tip. Tanungin mo po muna sarili mo kung for personal use or for rental business or investment ang goal mo. Para sa akin kasi, mas okay na bibili ka for rental business para sustainable yung property. Second, if di pa kaya ng finances mo, look for a co-buyer para hati kayo sa babayaran. Equal rights naman po kayo sa contract. Pwedeng parents, kapatid, life partner, or mapagkakatiwalaang kaibigan. Third, ask for the whole computation and ask your real estate salesperson sa mga other charges and all. Make sure po na na-disclose lahat para hindi ka magugulat sa mga babayaran after the reservation agreement or ma-turn over na sa'yo ang condo unit mo. Lastly, consider pre-selling projects kaysa RFO. Marami po kasi sa atin ay nagmamadali kaya gusto ng condo na ready for occupancy. Pero alam mo bang most RFO condo requires spot down payment? It has also shorter period payment terms and more than 30% na nag-appreciate ang price value niyan from when it was still on pre-selling or pre-development period. Tapos, kapag namahalan ka sa price, hindi ka na matutuloy pagbili. Diba? Sayang naman. Kaya kung hindi mo pa kaya or wala ka pang pang-spot down payment na malaki, go for pre-selling. Bukod sa hindi required ang spot down payment, launching price mo pa ito makukuha. Though hindi pa natatayo or operational yung building, the property value will increase as the development progress. After 5 to 10 years, you will think yourself na bumili ka ng unit before tumaas ang price. Kaya naman, start as early as you can. Investing in real estate is a lot like planting a tree. Just like how a tree grows stronger and more valuable with time, so does your investment in property. Remember, the best time to start was 10 years ago. But if you haven't started yet, the second best time is now. So let's grow your wealth together. Follow for more condo investment learnings.